One of the best engines GM has ever produced. You won't believe that. 2007. This is like the best year.
Yeah.
Best year.
Well, no, this has the DOD.
07? No.
Or no.
No.
No, yeah.
No.
I always think Jill's is an 07, but...
No. Was this 200 and what? 80,000 miles, you said?
Something up there, yeah.
So we got newer pulleys, tensioners, belts, and then the AC compressor. This is high mileage. Does the cluster even light up?
281.
281,000 miles on it. Today's engines can't make that at all, dude. Crazy, especially a GM.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you just leave this alone? It was still a money maker, right?
Yeah.
For reliability.
And this is a 6.2, so it's the big one.
And reliability is just hands down probably one of the best.
Yes.
Crazy. It is insane. The failure rates today. And it's engineering and oil, it's a lot of things. Engineering sucks, the mass production, the quality on the production lines, telling people to use, look, 530 in 07, but then fast forward to new production vehicles 020.
Yeah.
What do you think's wearing out your car?
Yeah. And the 10,000 mile oil changes.
Yeah, right. Yeah, they just want to keep you buying a new car. Almost 300K.
Yeah.
That's insane, isn't it?
Yeah.
But, and look, this is 300. Actually, I'm going to do oil change on this next. This is my car. 320 something thousand miles, and I change the oil every 3,000 miles. Other Toyota owner here who won't put 020 in his car. I think this calls for 530 though. I don't even know, but we're going to drop the oil on camera.